Hi and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to remove favorite on your Instagram. Maybe you want to remove an account with your favorites on Instagram but you don't know how. So today I am going to teach you on how you can remove favorite on your Instagram. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Instagram application and log in with your Instagram account. And then in here, you'll be directed into this Instagram homepage. And then in here, you'll see your Instagram icon at the lower right corner of your screen. Tap on it. And then in here, from your profile page, simply tap on these three lines at the upper right corner of your screen. And here, select Settings and Privacy. And then in here, you'll see what you see. And here, tap on your favorites. And here, to remove account on your favorites, simply tap on this Remove button. After that, as you can see, it is now an ad. It means that person is removed from your favorites. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can remove accounts on your favorites, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can remove accounts on your favorites, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.